All right, I'm here again with the Birdsong Hy5. I've put some Diodario flatwound chrome strings on them just to demonstrate the difference between the last video and this one. I'm going to play that same lick I was playing last time. I'm going to start both pickups fully on and tone full all the way up. All right, and then roll the tone off. This is, again, this is both pickups on, tone about 50%. And then we'll just try that with just neck pickup only, and that tone rolled off about 50%. Oh yeah, that's a good tone. Sorry, I can't speak and play at the same time. Rattling you hear is doors and windows in here. So let's see. I'm going to do back pickup only with the tone at 50%. Nice. And then another one where I have the neck pickup fully on and the back pickup on about rolled off about to 75% and the tone to about 75%. This is just something I would probably typically use. Sounds great for blues. Bring the tone up a little bit. So that's the difference. I actually like it. So anyway, I'm trying to think if there's anything else. It's got a really high output. I think it's the hand-wound pickups. It's not one of those passive basses that you have to totally crank your amp. It's pretty hot. Chords with